While many people talk about the fact that data is the new oil, the value is not just in having it, but in knowing how to use it and integrate it in building solutions. My name is Leslie F. Young, and I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst who have trained over 200 aspiring data analysts. And I'll be your instructor throughout this program, guiding you from the foundational concepts into the advanced concepts in data analytics. Here at Inspaya Academy, our data analytics module doesn't just cover learnings from Excel, SQL, Power BI, but it takes you through the phase of integrating what you have learned into building solutions that can scale. And you also have the opportunity to collaborate with teams where you can build a product. Whether this is your first time getting into data or this is you trying to get a refresher, we've got you covered every step of the way. I'll see you in class.